Hi there, I'm Ashley. Have you noticed anything new in the Klaviyo community? We just launched new ways to celebrate and reward your engagement in both our community and Academy sites. On the community, your posts and responses are so beneficial to other users as they learn new ways to grow their brands with Klaviyo. We want to reward you for these efforts with badges that appear in your profile when you hit key milestones. You can even earn badges for completed courses and credentials on the Klaviyo Academy. For example, if you get Klaviyo Product Certified, you can show that off in the community with a badge that highlights this accomplishment. So what are you waiting for? Register for an Academy course or post on the community today to unlock exciting rewards. Head to community.klaviyo.com to learn more. Happy Friday!